misunderstanding. Dirty our hands, tearing my heart into pieces. If this is the end, and we whisper the wind and release it, we don't have to know. We don't have it all worked out. We can just keep walking along. Don't give me your word, give me something to hold on to. I don't wanna fight, I don't want no big decision. I'm not afraid of tearing your heart into pieces. If there's a world of doubt, then we're out in the farthest of reaching. We